So hi everyone, it's me Percy J again, and for today's video, we are going to do unboxing. So again, samahan niyo ako. That's it. This is Percy J and welcome back to my channel.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got you feet both locked. You get to fly with me.
So guys, this is our first blender kasi nga kailangan na natin kasi malapit nang kumain si baby and i-blend natin yung kanyang pagkain. So maliit lang siya kasi after 6 months, 6 to 1 year lang naman yung mga soft na pagkain para sa kanya. And 1 year after is pwede na siya sa hard. So, hindi ko pa alam gamitin to. Pati papayos ko to sa aking asawa. But, for now is i-open natin siya and titingnan yung kanyang quality. No? So, again, so far, satisfied naman ako dito sa blender na to. And, maganda yung kanyang kulay kasi nga parang siyang silver at saka gold, no? So ito yung napili natin and pwede din siya i-blend yung mga vegetable like carrot or yung mga gagawa ka ng lumpia and also chicken and beef. But mostly yung beef is sa store, but yung chicken dito is bihira lang sila mag-blend ng chicken. So, magagamit natin to sa ating cooking. But usually, binili namin to for the baby food. So, again, ipapaayos ko to kasi hindi ko alam yung ibang function ng kanyang parts. No? So, again guys, that's all for today's video. Maraming salamat sa mga subaybay sa aking videos and samahan nyo pa ako soon kasi nagpapagaling tayo kasi nga bagong anak then mag-o-opera ako for ng aking leeg, then along the process titingnan natin kung anong mangyayari, no? So again, maraming salamat. Ingat kayo lagi, stay healthy, and God bless everyone.